All right, the next thing we're going to do is do the get mapping. And here we're going to put a string that represents a part of the URL. So don't have to save this. I'm going to close this. And let's test to see if our service can run. Let's do a run at main here. We should see some information regarding Spring Boot. Maximize that. And if I did it right, notice it says here it's running on port 8080, which is a good thing. So let's go to Google Chrome here now. And I'm going to say here localhost 8080. And we're going to type in here developer, hit enter, and we have our first call to a web service that returns us some information. Okay, right now I am in Google Chrome, so it looks like everything is working fine. I think this is Google Chrome. Let me see. Yep, this is Google Chrome. And this is the information that I expect you to get. Now, what I eventually want you to do, if you notice this tool that I have on my machine, if you get a chance, install Postman. There's plenty of videos on how to download and install this if you don't know how to do it. But eventually you'll have this window that comes up, by clicking here. And the verb that I want to do is called a get, and we'll go into details of what a get is. And then I want to say here 8080. Then I'll say developer, and we'll send. And that way you get the information that looks more like a JSON expression. Your browser, at least this browser right now, the way it's set up, can't handle JSON, so it treats everything as a string. Versus if I use Postman, look how you can see it. You can see that its skills is an array, developer, and 20 years of experience. Okay, so that's it for this example. Now, your assignment is to do this as many times as you can. That way, when I put this on an exam or we do another web service, this will be easy. So this is how we're going to be creating our web services for every example. And this is going to represent our business logic and also access to the database. So again, do this at least 3-4 times. With that, let the code force be with you.